Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common task in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency: how to withdraw USDC from Kucoin to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both Kucoin and Kraken. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and select Withdraw. It's that simple to begin. Next, choose USDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Make sure you're selecting the correct network, typically Ethereum for USDC, to match what's required on Kraken. Now, enter your Kraken wallet address. Double-check this address carefully. A small typo could send your funds into the void, and that's the last thing we want. Once you've got the address right, specify the amount of USDC you wish to withdraw. Keep an eye on any withdrawal fees or minimum limits displayed on Kucoin. These can vary based on network congestion. After that, review all the details: the amount, the address, and the network. For added security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if prompted. Hit confirm, and Kucoin will process your withdrawal. Transactions might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain's traffic. While you wait, hop over to your Kraken account and keep an eye on your deposit history. And just like that, your USDC should appear in your Kraken wallet. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and stay updated on any platform changes for 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be transferring assets like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.